We have a circle and pentagon drawn on the outside edges of our three-dimensional square. These are two-dimensional shapes that are almost ready to be extruded, but if you zoom in close, you will see that the circle approaches the square but never really overlaps. If we were to 3D print these shapes at this time, we would end up with a circle sitting next to a square but not connected. We can rotate our view by pressing down the wheel in the center of the mouse, then moving the mouse from side to side. From this point, we can see that our circle only touches the square but doesn't completely connect. To drag our view back to looking directly at the square, click the green arrow in the triad at the bottom of the page. Then double-click the wheel to center it on the page. We're now going to use our center rectangle tool to connect our circle and polygon to the square. As you look through the rectangle tool options, choose Center Rectangle. We want to begin drawing our center rectangle from the point where the circle and square meet, or the end of our dotted line. Click one time, then drag the rectangle outward. Make sure you don't extend out too far to the point at which the rectangle would extend outside of the circle. Click to draw that rectangle. Do the same with our polygon. Begin drawing a rectangle from the point at the middle of our line, or the end of the dotted line. Click one time and be sure not to extend the rectangle out too far where it would pass the edge of the polygon. Click the mouse one more time. Now press Escape to exit the rectangle tool. We need to resize the width of our rectangle. With no tool selected, our cursor is an arrow, and we may click on the line to change its length. Type in 5 millimeters. Repeat this procedure for the rectangle that we drew next to our polygon. 5 millimeters. At this point, you should notice a small triangular section that will be connected by the rectangle, and a slightly larger one on the circle. We are done drawing shapes for this portion of the puzzle piece.